If you want to speed up your photo editing process, learning how to use Lightroom presets is one of the easiest ways to do it. Presets can give your photos a beautiful starting look in just one click, and in this video, I'll show you the simple Lightroom desktop workflow step by step. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the photo you want to edit inside Lightroom desktop. Once your image is loaded, look for the Edit option, usually shown with the sliders icon. Click that, and then choose Presets. This opens your preset library and gives you access to the looks saved inside Lightroom. Now you can browse through the available preset groups. You'll usually see options like User Presets or Premium Presets, depending on what you have installed. Take a moment to preview a few options and click on any preset you want to try. The great thing about presets is that they apply instantly, so you can see the new style right away without manually changing every slider yourself. After applying a preset, don't stop there. This is the most important part that beginners often skip. Presets are not meant to be the final edit for every single photo. They are a starting point. So after the preset is applied, check your exposure first. If the image looks too dark or too bright, adjust it until it feels balanced. Then move to white balance and make sure the colors look natural. If the photo has a weird color tone, warming it up or cooling it down can make a huge difference. After that, look at contrast and fine-tune it so the image still looks clean and detailed. Another useful tip is to control the strength of your edit. If the preset looks too harsh, reduce clarity and texture a little. This helps the image feel softer and more natural. You can also lower saturation if the colors look too intense. A lot of people make the mistake of pushing presets too far, but subtle edits usually look better and more professional. Let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't use the exact same preset for every photo without checking the lighting. Every photo is different, and what works on one image may look terrible on another. Second, never skip exposure adjustment, because even the best preset can look wrong if the brightness is off. Third, avoid over-editing. If the image starts looking fake or over-processed, step back and reduce the stronger sliders. So the simple formula is this. Open your photo, go to Edit, click Presets, choose a look, then refine exposure, white balance, and contrast. After that, soften clarity, texture, or saturation if needed. That's how you get fast, clean, and natural results using Lightroom presets. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.